Good morning, children. We already have done short question answer and HOTS of chapter Too Much Water, Too Little Water. Today, we will do back exercise based upon this chapter. It includes fill-ups, MCQs, true false and match the column. Clear? Let us start. First is fill in the blanks. Under this part, we have 5 fill-ups. First is Children's Panchayat was called. What was it? It was Bhim Sangh. Bhima. Bhim Sangh. Sangh. It was Bhim Sangh. Bhima. Bhim Sangh. Sangh. Bhim Sangh. Second is we should drink a lot of water in case of. हमें किस केस में बहुत ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए? We already have read in this chapter. Name that disease. It is a diarrhea. In case of diarrhea, DIARRRHOEA. It's diarrhea. We should drink a lot of water in case of diarrhea. Third is dirty water contains many dash. Dirty water में क्या होता है? Micro organisms or harmful chemicals. You can write any one point. I'm going to write here microorganisms. Microorganisms. We already discussed about microorganisms. Its spelling are MICRO, microorganisms, ORGANISMS. So dirty water contains many microorganisms. Fourth is chemical formula of water is. What is the chemical formula of water? It is H2O. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. H2. We will write 2 at the end of H. H2O. Clear? Fifth is 3 states of water are. Water is of 3 states. First is solid state. Second is liquid state. Third is gaseous state. So 3 states of water are solid, SOLID solid, liquid, LIQUID liquid, and gaseous, or you can write gas here. 3 states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Clear? Second is we have MCQs, means multiple choice questions. First is contaminated water can cause following disease. जो dirty water होता है उससे कौन सी disease होती है? Options, we have 3 options. First is diarrhea, second is malaria, third is dengue. So option is first, which is diarrhea. Second is different ways to clean water are. Yesterday we have done one question which shows different ways to clean water. So we have 3 options again. First is boiling, second is chlorination, means using chlorine tablets. Third is C, means both methods are the different ways to clean the water. So correct option is C. Third is ice is which state of water? आइस वाटर की कौन सी स्टेट शो करती है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज लिक्विड, सेकंड इज सॉलिड, थर्ड इज गैसियस. So ice is in which form? It is a solid form. Option B is correct answer. Clear? Next is point 4. Water does not have distinct smell, so it shows which characteristics of water. कि वाटर की कोई भी स्मेल नहीं होती. सो ये वाटर का कौन सा करेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, कौन सा फीचर है? फर्स्ट इज टेस्टलेस, सेकेंड इज ऑर्डरलेस, थर्ड इज ट्रांसपेरेंट. स्मेल, इट विल गो विथ ऑप्शन बी, इट इज ऑर्डरलेस. मीन्स वाटर की कोई स्मेल नहीं होती, सो इट इज ऑर्डरलेस, इसलिए वो ऑर्डरलेस होता है. इट्स स्पेलिंग्स आर ODOUR, orderless, LESS, orderless. So option B is correct option. Fifth is, we can see microorganisms by which instrument? By which equipment of science? तो microorganism को हम अपनी आई से नहीं देख सकते. We can't see these with our eyes, but we can see these by using microscope. So option first is microscope, second is telescope, third is thermometer. So option A is the correct answer. We can see microorganisms by microscope. It is used to see small things. Clear? Now we have question number 3, true or false. First is, we should throw garbage in water sources. True or false? It is false. We should not throw garbage in water sources. So it is false. Next is second part, water can be drunk by boiling it. क्या वाटर को बॉयल करके पी सकते हैं? यस, इट इज ट्रू. थर्ड इज, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स आर गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. इट इज फॉल्स. कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स और कार्बोनेटेड ड्रिंक्स आर नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. नेक्स्ट, फोर्थ इज, क्लोरीन टैबलेट्स डू नॉट क्लीन द डर्टी वाटर. Is it true? No, it is not true, because chlorine tablets are used to clean dirty water. So it is false. Next is fifth, water comes to the park through pipeline. Yes, it is true. Clear? Next is fourth point, match the columns. We have two columns. First column contains 4 points. Second also contains 4 points. Under first column we have, first is 3 states of water. Second is waterborne diseases. Third is ways to clean water. Fourth is dirty drinking water. Under column B we have part A is boiling, adding alum, chlorine. B, due to leakage of pipeline. C, solid, liquid and gas. D, diarrhea. It's A, diarrhea, cholera and typhoid. 3 states of water will go with point C, solid, liquid and gas. Next, waterborne diseases are diarrhea, cholera and typhoid. Ways to clean water are boiling, adding alum and chlorine. It will go with point A. And last is dirty drinking water. It will go with point B, because drinking water can be dirty due to leakage of pipeline. So it will go with part B. Clear? So we will revise it once again. First is fill in the blanks. First point, children's panchayat was called Bhim Sangh. Second, we should drink a lot of water in case of diarrhea. Third, dirty water contains many microorganisms. Fourth point, chemical formula of water is H2O. Fifth is 3 states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Clear? Second is MCQs. First is contaminated water can cause following disease. Which disease? Diarrhea. Second, different ways to clean water are both boiling and chlorination. Third is ice is a which state of water? It is a solid state. Fourth is water does not have distinct smell, so it shows which characteristics of water? It shows odorless characteristics of water. Fifth is we can see microorganisms by which instrument of science? We can see it with microscope. Next is true or false. First is we should throw garbage in water sources. It's false. Second, water can be drunk by boiling it. Yes, it is true. True. Third is cold drinks are good for our health. It is false. Fourth is chlorine tablets do not clean the dirty water. It's false. Fifth is water comes to the park through pipeline. It is true. Next is last point, match the columns. First is 3 states of water are solid, liquid and gas. Second, waterborne diseases are diarrhea, cholera and typhoid. Third is ways to clean water are boiling, adding alum and chlorine. Fourth is dirty drinking water. It is due to leakage of pipeline. Clear? Before writing these 4 questions in your notebooks, firstly learn, then try to note it down in your notebook. Thank you.